next question is this. You guys ready? It's worth 1,000 points. It's a bonus question. Who is your favorite player? Is it me, Conradinho, or is it this guy that just joined the chat?
Messi! Look,
Messi!
Okay, this one was worth 1,000 points.
Prince.
I got there first.
No way.
Messi.
You guys want to take a chance? You guys want to say hello to Messi?
Hola, Messi. ¿Cómo está?
¿Todo bien?
Oh, wow. Epic.
Messi, thank you so much.
Right.
Leo, thank you so much for your time.
Now that he's seen your faces, I think Leo would like to see you doing something. He's going to ask you something.
Okay, go for it.
Sí.
Bueno, estábamos hablando acá de las celebraciones, de cómo celebran cada uno su gol y queríamos comunicarnos con ustedes para ver ustedes cómo celebrarían un gol.
He's actually saying that we were talking here about celebrating goals, right? And then we thought, should we go to Kick TV and see how they celebrate the goal? So he wants to see how you celebrate the goal. So imagine you just scored. What would you do? Come on, go wild. Come on. That's a good one.
Yeah. Taking off the shirt.
Oh, there's one without the t-shirt. Good. Oh, you cannot get it out. What's celebrating with the dog? Ahí está. Right. ¿Copiarías alguna de estas para un gol tuyo?
La verdad que es muy ingenioso, muy bueno. Es difícil celebrar un gol así, adelante de una cámara, y la verdad que muy bien a todos.
He's actually saying that you've all been very funny and very clever. It's very difficult to celebrate in front of a camera, and he's actually saying that he's just admired your behavior in front of the camera. So thank you very much. We're going to go now.
Eres mi jugador favorito.
Good luck this season. Bye, Messi.
Thanks,
Bye.
man.
Win the World Cup.
Messi. Oh, Messi.
I think I deserve the points for taking off my shirt, to be honest. Let's just tell
Take him.